My name is Alvin, and I'm doing the AutoCAD course with Docklands Media training. It's been a great experience. Today's my final day, and I've learned quite a lot of things that I didn't know before. I'm in the restaurant business, and to be able to open a new restaurant and to know what you need in a particular place, how it's going to be, the layout is something that's pretty important. But apart from that, just as a general skill, just to be able to draw and create stuff digitally in your everyday life, that is one of the skills that I really wanted to have. And I feel very confident after this that I can really do it, which is great. I've learned a lot of things, and in the course, starting from a really, really basic level, just drawing vector lines and that sort of thing, going all the way to generating floor plans and that sort of drawing and using different tools, which are really fun. So I look forward to being able to practice at home and carry on. The location is great. Very many places around to have a tea, a coffee, and a break, or have your lunch, and it's very accessible with the lines, DLR, and Jubilee. So absolutely amazing.